Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to borrow money from Cash App. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android phone or other device and want to borrow money from your Cash App, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your App Store if you're using iPhone or iPad, and if you're using Android device you need to open Play Store in that phone. And guys, here you need to search Cash App. So guys, as you can see, after opening your Cash App you need to open your app, and guys you need to check for update. If your app is not updated you need to update your app first, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after going to back you need to open your Cash App, and guys now you need to click on your main profile icon and you will see this type of interface. So guys, from here you need to find borrow option. So guys, I am going to click on here favorites. So guys, and I am going to click on here the option of limits, and guys we can see that there is no option of borrow. So guys, maybe this option is missing from your Cash App. So guys, this option borrow option is available in only on in US. So guys, if you are US residential then you will get borrow option here, and if you are not lives in US then you not be able to borrow money from Cash App. So guys, if you are lives in a US and not be able to show borrow option on your device, no need to worry, simply you have to click on here the option of support, and guys after clicking on it you need to wait for some seconds here, and now you will see multiple options here as you can see. So guys, from here you will see the option of borrow, click on it, and guys after clicking on it you need to scroll it down, and from here you need to select anyone that second one that you can see, why can't I use borrow yet, you need to click on it, and guys you need to click on chat, and simply you have to chat with a Cash App support team. You have to tell your problem and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem and you will be able to get loan from Cash App. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.